Hi friends, good morning. Today we are going to learn some multiplication sum. Any number by one digit number, two digit number and three digit number. And before we start, first of all I want to tell you in multiplication sum as well as in division. You should learn all the tables very well, then all the calculations will be easy. So first of all, you can see on the blackboard, I wrote one sum. See, first we learn multiplication, a number with one digit numbers. Take one example. I wrote here one sum, 648 multiply 9. Okay, so here you can also see I have done some rough work. I will tell you step by step. First upon we multiply ones place, after that tens place and then hundred place. So we start our calculation. 8 multiply 9. 8 multiply 9 is 72. 8 nines are 72. So we write here 2 under the ones place and 7 carry on tens place. Understood? After that we multiply 4 with 9. 4 with 9. 4 nines are 36. Okay? See, 36 and carry is what? 7. So we add 7 into 36. 36 plus 7 we get 43. Same way we write 3 under the tens column and carry 4 on 100 place. After that we multiply 6 with 9. 6 with 9. 6 nines are 54 and see, carry. Carry is what? 4. So we add 4 in 54. 54 plus 4 we get 58. 58 we write under the hundreds place 58. So our answer is 648 multiply 9 is 5832. I hope you understood this one digit multiplication number. Now students, we calculate our next term. See, we learn multiplication a number with a two digit number. I wrote here one sum. You can see 4638 multiply 67. Here 67 is a two digit number. Okay, so we done our calculations with two steps. Okay, I will explain. See, first upon we multiply 4638 with 7. You can see here I have done also rough work here also. See, now we start. 8 sevens are 8 sevens is what? 56. So we write 6 under the ones place and 5 carry on tens place. After that we multiply 3 with 7. 3 sevens are 21 and see what number is on carry? 5. So 21 plus 5 we get 26. Again we write 6 under the tens place and 2 carry on the 100 place. 6 sevens are 42. 42 plus 2. 2 is carry on 2. 42 plus 2 is equal to 44. Again we write 4 under the hundreds place and this 4 carry on 1000 place. After that we multiply 4 with 7. 4 sevens are 28. 28 plus 4 carry is equal to 32. So see, here there is no any number on 10,000 place, so we write 32 directly here. Now we done our first steps. After that we start our calculations. 4638 multiply 6. 6 is on tens place, so that we put here cross. You can also put 0. 8 6 are, see, 8 6 is equal to what? 48. Again write 8 here and 4 on tens place. 3 7 6 are 3 6 are 18. 18 plus 4. You can see carry 4. 18 plus 4 is equal to 22. So we write here 2 and these two carry on 100 place. Now 6 multiply 6. 6 is 36. 36 plus 2. These two. 36 plus 2 is equal to 38. We write 8 here and carry 3 on 1000 place. Now multiply 4 with 6. 4 6 are 24. 24 plus 3. This carry 24 plus 3 is equal to 27. So we write here 27. Okay. And after this calculations, we keep here plus sign. And after that, we start additions of this number. 6 plus nothing is equal to 6. 6 plus 8 is equal to 14. So write 4 and carry 1. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 2 plus 8, 10. 0. Carry on. 1. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 7, 11. 1. Carry on. 1. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. And after that, we keep comma. Ones, tens, hundred, comma, thousand, 10,000, comma, and lakhs. So, after the calculations, we get our answer. It means 4,638 multiplied 67, we get 3,10,746. I hope you understood this sum. Friends, now I am teaching you one important defined factor. Factor means what? A number which exactly divides any given number. Here you can see I underline these words, exactly divides. Okay, so it means what? When you divide particular number by any number, then you get remainder as a 0, then that number is called the factor of the particular number. You can see here I make one table. See, first upon I wrote numbers and after that I wrote its factors. We see the number 1, its factor is only 1. Number 2, its factor is 1 and 2. Number 3, 3 has 2 factors, 1 and 3. 4, 4 has 3 factors, 1, 2, 4. Same way, you can also see all the numbers. See 10. The number of 10's factor is 1, 2, 5 and 10. Okay. Now we have to check 1, 2, 5 and 10 are factors of 10 or not. So how can we check it? So here you can see I divide particular numbers. I divide 10 by this particular number and check 10 divide 1, I check, so remainder I got 0. Same way 10 divide 2, I got remainder as a 0. Same way 10 divide 5, 5 2s are 10, I got remainder as a 0. Same way 10 divide 10, 10 1s are 10, got remainder as a 0. So that this 1, 2, 5 and 10 exactly divides. Okay, so we can say 1, 2, 5 and 10 are factor of 10. Okay, same way here 8 has also the factors 1, 2, 4 and 8. It means when you divide 8 by this number, you got remainder as a 0. So that we called these numbers are the factors of 8. Same way 1, 2 and 4 are factors of 4. Why? Because when we divide 4 by this number, we got remainder as a 0. So that we called 1, 2 and 4 are factors of 4.